Hello and welcome to Bma's Crafty Corner. I am Bma, better known as Els, and today we are doing our mixed media mini morsels. If I can find a marker. Got one. Okay, so this is going to be week 10. Whew, hard to say. We've been doing this for a while, huh? All right, so basically I'm going to pull 5 mixed media prompts. You can do them in any order that you want. You can take away from them or add to them as you choose. All right, so let's go ahead and pull them randomly. Number 50, which is blow liquid with a straw. Okay, and then number 19, add paint with a brayer. We'll talk about these. Number 49, add words. Number 35, add shapes. And the last one for this week is number 31, which is water-soluble crayons or oil pastels. Okay, so blowing liquid with a straw, you can use any kind of liquid that you want. You can go on and hit it with your ink pads and then just spray water on it and just go with it. Just take a straw and just blow it all over the place. You can use one of these little puffers too if you've got one. You can add paint with a brayer. If you don't have a brayer, this type of a brayer, if you don't have a brayer, you can always use just like an old gift card or something and use that just the same. It's an allowable substitute. Add words. You can type words, find words from a book. You can write words, whatever you want. You can add words any way that you want, stamp them on there, however. Shapes. Now this one's a little vague, but basically you want to add some kind of a shape or shapes to this. So it could be maybe you have a square punch and you want to punch a bunch of squares and put a bunch of squares on there. Whatever it is, add some shapes to it. And then water-soluble crayons or oil pastels. If you don't have those, use regular crayons. We're good with it. Okay? That is week 10. Can't believe we've been doing this for 10 weeks. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and let you get started. Of course, if you want, you can always post this in my Facebook group. There's a link to that in the description below. And there's also a link to the list if you would like to play yourself offline. Till the next time, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.